Okay, so in this demonstration I'm going to show you how to install your vinyl decal. Now I'm just using a poster board for demonstration. This is going to be a Smith & Wesson logo I made for a client. Okay, so first you want to, this has rubbing alcohol on it. You just want to make sure your surface is nice and clean. You don't want any dirt and dust in the way. Okay, so two ways you can do it. You can peel it off and just kind of stick it on with your eyes, just kind of decide. Now if you take the time and you need something a little more precise, you can put tape right on top of that transfer mask there, not on the back. Put it where you need to. You know, say you want it right there. Drop it down, put that tape on there. That's fine too. Now I have some customers that tell me that the decal doesn't want to come off the backing paper at times. So you'll notice this one. Okay, this one's not going to fight with me, but sometimes the decal stays on the backing paper. So what you want to do, if it does that, you're picking it up and say this piece right here doesn't want to come off. Just lay it back down, just kind of give it a rub with your thumb, and that, even though that might appear that you're putting it even tighter on the paper, it actually is putting it tighter up on the transfer mask. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel this back. All right, here we go. We got one right here. See how that doesn't want to, let me take this off. See how that, this piece right here wants to stay on the paper. You see that? Okay, lay it down, just kind of rub the top of it with your thumb. Sometimes I'll kind of wiggle it too as I'm doing it. Got another piece right here. A little bit of thumb or finger. Thumb, finger, either way. Right here a little bit. Kind of wiggle. By wiggling too, you kind of get to see what's going to fight with you and what's not. Okay, there's another one. Right there. That one's a little stubborn guy. But we got him. Okay. And we're good. Now I got the tape on here still, but I'm gonna just ignore that for now. Okay, so we put this down. Oh, I probably want it about here. Okay, perfect. And you could have took this tape off if you want. That actually wasn't really that necessary. We'll do that with a bigger decal. Show you why that's important on the bigger ones. Okay, so next you want to get your squeegee, credit card, whatever you're using. Just kind of rub it on there really good. Sometimes, depending on what you're doing, a felt tip squeegee might be better because you don't want to scratch the surface of whatever you're putting it on. Okay, so then I just find the edge here, pull it back. Now here's the part too where it's going to want to sometimes stay on this transfer tape. One trick I found, take your squeegee, kind of put it together like that, and keep the tape really tight against the squeegee. Kind of use your thumbs to push forward. Like, don't move the squeegee at all. Use your thumbs here to just kind of push forward, and it stays down really nice. And that'll almost always guarantee you it comes right off. You're good to go. Like I said, decal wants to stay on the paper. Lay the mask back down and just kind of rub it a little more. You know, we make these decals per order, and sometimes that transfer tape, it gets a little stubborn, but real easy. Also, if you apply a little bit of heat, you know, make sure the surface isn't too cold. That works great. A little bit of water, Windex sometimes, that helps them go on, but I don't really prefer the wet method myself, but you can try it.